You ready for this?
Mm-hmm. Are you ready?
I am. I don't know.
Well, your boots look ready.
Yeah, my boots are ready whether I am or not. We are robbing our first honey of the year. It's late in the year. We have been overwhelmed with numerous projects on the homestead. Chickens and bunnies and ducks and gardening and canning and children and weather. Today, it's honey day. Here we go.
Raven. He can't hear you. It's okay. Okay, so this is 8 frames out of 1 super. And they are loaded with honey. That thick comb. Completely loaded. These buckets are heavy. are going to uncap them and sling some honey. Okay. I'm going to uncap one side of our first frame. I'll get it uncapped. We like to keep our cappings and our wax so we can render it down. Okay, put that uncapped. Now it's time to take it to the extractor. Cap the side out. It's a big, thick frame. Alright. There we go. There's number one. All right, the honey extractor is completely full, and I mean it's very full. And we are gonna go on our first run and see how it goes. Looking good. You like the honey? You wanna try some more? Our bees made honey. So good. Yeah. You want some toast and butter and honey?
Yes.
See? Show them the honey. Alright. There it is. Honey, honey, honey.
Honey, honey, honey.
Wow. How much do you think we'll get? You think it'll fill a bucket?
Yeah.
Yeah? Maybe. I'll put your hand. What do you think? You gonna eat some honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it good? Okay, so we extracted a bunch of the honey last night. We got 3.5 gallons out of 12 frames. Here's the funny thing. We went to go clean the extractor. We got the frames out. I scrape all the wax off, and then we get that clean and we render it down so we have beeswax. Stephen forgot to uncap one of the frames, so this is what we have. This is completely full of honey. So I'm going to uncap it. Actually, I'm going to scrape all this off and put it in the sieve and let it drain into the bucket and see how much more honey we get. It's pretty cool though. You can see all that honey in there. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, so here's the frame that didn't get uncapped, but that's fine. We're going to see how much honey we can get off just this one. So we're just going to scrape it into our sieve and catch all that honey. Just catch all that honey and let the equipment do the work. Get right behind that honey. There, that's beautiful. It's beautiful honey. Frame cleaned off. Beautiful honey. Really want to get back behind it. I do not want to lose it. Oh, watch that. There you go. Honey, honey, honey. So like I said, we got about 3.5 gallons off of 12 frames, but we missed half a frame. So we are going to have more honey. It's our first harvest of these bees, so 3.5 gallons is not too bad. And they're young. They're newbies, get it? All that honey on there. Cool. It's kind of fun to get to do this and see it this way. All the ones I've scraped already are empty. It looks good. Guys, I got this double sieve on Amazon.com. It was a great deal. You have to have one. It fits right over the bucket. No matter which size bucket, whether it's a 2-gallon, 5-gallon, it just makes everything 10 times easier. So if you're going to extract honey, I highly, highly recommend you use this tool because it cuts out 2 strainings. So you only have to let it go through there once. It's pretty clean. Yeah, the resulting honey is beautiful. Yeah, that's full. We're gonna let that drip, let that drain. It'll take longer than an extractor, but